Welcome to MyGuide.org. Welcome to MyGuide. Here, you will understand the home page of sales. Click on App Launcher. Select Sales. After logging in into Salesforce, click on Home. Quarterly Performance. Start your day fast with a customizable, intelligent page. Performance Chart. Monitor and update your performance to goal. Assistant. Stay on track by seeing the leads and opportunities that require your attention. Today's events. See the next 5 meetings on your calendar today. Today's tasks. Here, you can see up to 5 tasks due today. Recent records. Access links to recently viewed records. Key deals. View your top open opportunities in a convenient list. Thank you from MyGuide.org.